Hello friends, today we are playing with this cool red slime. We are going to be putting animals inside. First we have a Bengal white tiger going in our slime. Whoa. He's taking a bath in the slime. Next we have a turtle going into our slime too. Swimming in the slime. Next we have a walrus that wants to go in the slime. Next we have a panda bear. And this bear wants to go in the slime. We have a rabbit, a white rabbit hopping into our slime. Now we have a tiger, and this tiger is going next to our Bengal white tiger in the slime. Now we have a piglet going into the slime. A gorilla. We have an octopus. We have a sea turtle. Swimming in the slime. We have a hippopotamus. We have a newt and a zebra. We have a coyote. We have an antelope. We also have a goat. And last animal, we have a baby cub tiger going with the mama. He's trying to get through with the animals and jumps to the mommy. Okay friends, these are all of our animals in the slime today. We also have a larva going into the slime. Thank you for watching.